We're going to look at a law of sines side-side angle triangle where only one possible triangle exists. I'm going to start by labeling the triangle. I'm going to label the given angle in the bottom left. You don't have to though, but if you want your second triangle to look the same every time, you should do that. And then the unknown side is what I want at the bottom, so the angle I'm going to put at the top, and we can label everything else. We can start by doing the law of sines. Sine of 76 over 34 equals sine of b over 21. Remember, b is capital because we're talking about an angle. We want b by itself. Remember, we can't divide by 34 sine. It would have to be the sine of something, but we can divide both sides by 34. Now, remember, when you're trying to split apart the sine from the b, you can inverse sine both sides. You end up getting 36.82 degrees. If you're someone who likes to memorize, you can compare this number to the given angle, which was 76. This is not greater than the given angle, so there's only going to be one possible solution. If you'd rather understand it more, which is what I would recommend, you can go through and draw your second triangle, label what was given again, find your new angle b. Remember, you can't do the law of sines again or else you'd get what you got the first time. So you have to do 180 minus what your calculator gave you. But this triangle doesn't make sense because this bigger angle would be here. That is across from the smaller side. That's 21. And the smaller angle is across from the bigger side. So that triangle wouldn't exist. And you can look at the 76 degrees and the 143 degrees. If you added that up, that's already greater than 180, and that doesn't even leave room for the third angle. So there's no second possibility for this triangle. And then you could go on to find angle C, which is 180 minus the other two angles. And then you can do the law of sines to find side C. Remember, the only time you have to check for two cases is if you have an angle side-side triangle or side-side angle triangle. Otherwise, there's definitely just going to be one possible solution.